Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Keith here, Jesse on the camera. Today we're on location, Stony Mountain, Manitoba, and we brought out the CASADIO RC 1/7 scale 6x6 Unimog with the full camper build. Hundreds and hundreds of hours and tiny screws into this bad boy, but absolutely beautiful. Love this thing. So scale, so nice. Full interior. We even got a dummy 13 riding in there. Everything opens, everything functions. 6-wheel drive, 6-wheel steering, on portals, all 3D printed except for the tires. Absolutely beautiful unit. The remote for the lights fell into the back in transport. We'll have to get that out later on. But anyhow, let's hit the intro really quick. It's just going to be a short, sweet video. Let's get this guy out before it gets dark and get rolling. On power to I forgot to walk. I like how you did this back. That's on camper territory. Oh, come on. Going back up there? something that's late packed around the way. Okay guys, so I don't know if that was as much fun as it was for you as it was for Jesse and I, but that thing is actually just, it's cool, it's fun, it's home built, it's 3D printed, it's cheap. Well, it's just gonna take you time, but anyhow, beautiful product. You can do the color changes, whatever you want, whatever. This is all PETG, high flow bamboo, the whole unit, so it can handle a little bit more UV protection and stuff out there. But anyhow, the way this thing meanders and moves around, when you get into the kits and check them out, you'll see it moving because it has a different suspension system for the deck than it does the chassis and the cab. So ultra cool the way it moves around, the 6-wheel drive on the portals with the open differentials. You'll see them opening, unlocking, and fighting and getting traction and stuff. And again, all 3D printed, all the axles, the portals, the drive lines, everything, the drive shafts, you name it. We did farm out all of our gears and our shafts to Fusion 3D. We got our friend Mikesh to print those in nylon carbon fiber just for extra rigidity, which are going to require now, since we've kind of broken them in. I'm gonna have to go home, pop the cases open, add some more grease to them. Currently, somebody just released aluminum portal axle AliExpress conversion for this. So it's all the mounts and put it on a steel 4-link with steel drive shafts and steel axles. So check that out. I don't know, I believe they're going to be locked at that point because I don't think those axles come with diffs in them. Like, you're not going to get a crawler axle with portals and a diff. It's just not going to happen on TRX4. So anyhow, check it out. CASADIO RC guys on Imagine, the RC hub for 3D prints. See you guys next week.